Hello friends, now we will see the how to uninstall CapCut from Windows PC. First, go to apps and features. Okay, then go to the CapCut app. Then click on three dots. Then click on uninstall. Then app will ask this app and its rated info will be uninstalled. Just click on uninstall. Uncheck keep user data. Click on OK. Then uninstallation process will begin. It will take time. Yes, CapCut is uninstalled. Click on complete. That's it. CapCut is uninstalled from system. Now restart the system. Okay, thank you.